The Elephant and the Wise Turtle. Read, imagine, learn. English through stories. Listen and practice. Let's start. In a vast jungle, there lived a mighty elephant named Raja. He was proud of his size and strength. Every day, he would walk through the jungle, pushing smaller animals out of his way. The deer, monkeys, and even the tigers feared Raja, as no one could match his power. One day, while Raja was strolling near the riverbank, he came across an old turtle named Adi. Adi was known for his wisdom and patience. As Raja approached, he demanded, "Move out of my way, old turtle, or I'll step on you." Adi looked up at the elephant and calmly replied, "Why should I move? The river belongs to all of us." Raja, irritated by Adi's response, lifted his foot as if to threaten him. "I could crush you with one step," he warned. But Adi didn't flinch. "Strength alone doesn't make you great, Raja," he said. "Real greatness comes from how you treat others." Laughing, Raja stomped his foot, causing the ground to shake. "What do you know about greatness, old turtle? I'm the strongest animal in this jungle." Adi sighed, realizing that Raja's arrogance wouldn't be easily broken. He decided to teach Raja a lesson. "If you're so strong, why don't you help the animals instead of frightening them?" "Help them?" Raja laughed. "Why should I waste my time helping creatures weaker than me?" Adi thought for a moment and then said, "Let me tell you a story, Raja. Many years ago, this jungle was ruled by a lion named Surya. He was feared and respected because of his strength, much like you. But one day, a great fire broke out in the jungle. All the animals, from the smallest insects to the largest beasts, ran for their lives. Surya, with all his power, tried to fight the fire, but his strength wasn't enough. It was only when all the animals worked together strong and weak alike that they were able to put out the fire and save the jungle." Raja listened but remained unimpressed. "That's just a story. I don't need anyone's help." Just as he was about to leave, the sky darkened, and heavy clouds gathered overhead. A sudden storm broke out, and rain poured down in torrents. The river swelled, and soon, the water began to rise, flooding the surrounding area. Animals ran for higher ground, but many small creatures were trapped by the flood. Raja watched as the smaller animals struggled. Some of them called out for help, but Raja hesitated. He remembered Adi's words, "Real greatness comes from how you treat others." Without thinking further, Raja rushed into action. Using his large trunk, he lifted small animals out of the water, one by one, carrying them to safety. The monkeys, rabbits, and even birds, who once feared him, now looked at him with gratitude. But the rain didn't stop. The river continued to rise, and soon the water was nearing the edge of the jungle. Raja saw a group of deer trapped on a small island, surrounded by the raging river. Without hesitation, he waded into the water. The current was strong, and even Raja struggled to keep his balance. But he pushed forward, determined to save the deer. As he reached the island, the deer jumped onto his back, and Raja carefully made his way to safety. When he returned, the jungle animals cheered for him. Raja had saved them all. Exhausted but proud, Raja looked around and saw Adi watching him from a distance. The wise turtle smiled and said, "You see, Raja, strength is a gift. But it's how you use that gift that truly matters." Raja, for the first time, understood. From that day forward, he used his strength not to bully, but to help others. The animals no longer feared him but respected and loved him for his kindness. Moral: true strength lies not in power, but in kindness and the willingness to help others. Hope you like the story. Like, share, subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.